Can we delete Instagram chat from both sides permanently? Hi, launch Instagram and sign in to your account. Proceed towards Messenger icon at top right. And now you need to choose a particular chat that you want to delete from both sides permanently. Long press on particular chat and tap delete. Here we can see that there is delete button only but not delete for everyone or on scene. So you need to note that only you'll be able to delete the chat from your side but not other side. But you can delete the messages from both sides permanently. For demo, let me send you a message and now long press on particular message and tap on send. On sending will remove the message for everyone. So by on sending all the messages you can easily remove or unsend messages from your site if you have mistakenly sent any of the messages, but we won't be able to delete Instagram chat from both sides permanently. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.